Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how to turn off notification on iPhone while playing games or any other important stuffs. So in order to do that you need to go to the settings, and from the settings option you need to go down and select the option called focus. And after that, as you can see, we are redirected to this page, and from here you need to go to do not disturb. And as you can see, there are two options. It says allowed notification and it says people and it says app. So basically what this will do, when you click here and when you add a person on this allowed notification from list, when you add the person in this list, when you play games, the person will only be able to send you message. The message notification will only be visible from this person only. So for example, if I add a person, here, after adding a person here, as you can see, allowed notification. When I play games, only this person message will appear on my screen or on my notification, and the rest won't appear. So now what you need to do is, after adding the person's important person, you need to see the notification from. You just need to close this. After closing this, you need to turn swipe here from here, and as you can see here, it's called focus mode. And when you on this mode, and you can see when you on this mode and it's on, now if you play games or do any important stuff, no person will able to send you message, or even if they send you message, their notification won't appear on your screen, but only this person which you have included in the allowed notification list will only be able to send you. But if there is if you don't want any specific person for to send message, you just need to cancel it and you don't have to do anything on this place. So yeah, that's how you turn off notification on your iPhone while playing games or any other important